We are looking at how to pronounce this contraction, as well as how to say more interesting and often unclear words and expressions in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So this is the contraction of the words it and well, as in the future tense. How do you say it? In British English, this is said as it'll. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as it'll, as in it will be fine. In British English, it'll be fine. In American English, though, it'll be fine, or it'll be fine. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.